Make a great choice today with the 2026 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortex with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable and is priced below $85,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.